Welcome to PatioKitsDirect.com. Today we're going to talk about our standard attached patio cover kit and how to work around a pop-out. Okay, so in this diagram, no matter the size of the cover that you're looking for, we're really focusing on how to work around different architectural features on the house and how to get those measurements to get around it. Okay. As stated in our standard measurement video, we are looking for the key elements of projection times length and then height. Height being a standard of 9 foot, but not represented in this diagram as this is an aerial drawing. The gray represents total shade, and then the black beam represents the beam that's running from left to right. The white box is the post. So let's go over the total shade versus post placement and then get to that pop out. Okay, whether it be a solid insulated, a solid non-insulated, or lattice cover, they run the projection. Okay, so we want to take the measurement either from the stucco wall to the total shade that we want to cover. Now, if you have a fascia, wood fascia, you would want to start your measurement at that attachment point. Wood fascias generally overhang in front of the house around 12 to 18 inches. So that would be your starting point. So you would measure outward, not to the beam and post placement, but to the total shade. And then your second measurement being the length from left to right. Okay, that's going this way. Okay, that's your total shade. Now over here, we're trying to show you that there is a minimum of 1 foot setback. This can have an 18-inch or 2 foot setback from the total projection. And then from the left to right, there's also a standard of a 1 foot set in from the left to right, maybe 18 inches, 2 feet. There are variables to that when you go to build your patio cover. Okay, so now that we have a projection times length, and we understand our setback, we need to get to this little guy right here, and that's the pop out. We're calling that a pop out. Okay, so we're using brick as a representation. We're going to say that this is a chimney or a fireplace up against the house that we have to work around. Okay, so this measurement, just like our projection, we would need to know the distance from the furthest point in to the furthest point out of that pop out. And that also applies to the opposite side over here, then times the length of it. Okay, so no different than the projection times the length of the total patio cover, we would want to know what this pop out is to accommodate it. By accommodating it for our solid covers, whether it be the non-insulated or insulated, we provide extra channel to continue the patio cover and flashing to go around that area for weatherproofing the solid patio cover. The lattice cover, we can make the rafters shorter, but I want to hit on something that a lot of people might want to take into consideration when they go to order. If this isn't that large of an area of a pop-out, some people would order the patio cover as just a square box, as they would like to have the on-site option to kind of make those cuts in field, as no home is perfectly square. But no matter to us, we can make the patio cover fit around these areas, but it's important to tell us these measurements so we can quote you accurately or get you extra components to work around. It's not very difficult to do. So this is an overall view with a pop-out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us at 888-851-8351 or visit us at PatioKitsDirect.com. We thank you for your time today, and we look forward to earning your business.